So now we have to see again the utility of bookkeeping. See, I am going very slow because if you understand the first two chapters, my work is going to be reduced. So if you have any point which is actually not understanding, again you can ask me. I will try to answer in another way. So chalo, utility of bookkeeping. So utility means what is the uses of bookkeeping. But if you see in this word utility, this is actually the economic word. इकोनॉमिक सब्जेक्ट में तुम इसको देखोगे. किसी को पता है यूटिलिटी का मीनिंग? द कैपेसिटी और पावर टू सेटिस्फाई ह्यूमन वांट, दैट इज व्हाट यूटिलिटी. इकोनॉमिक टर्म का मीनिंग क्या है? कैपेसिटी और पावर टू सेटिस्फाई ह्यूमन वांट. This is from economic point of view, and in general utility means what is its usefulness. Usefulness related to what? Now owner, can you tell me what is the utility of bookkeeping from the point of view of the owner? Chalo, Victor, you just read it, then we will discuss that.
Yes, sir. Owner, the businessman can find out profit, losses, assets, and liabilities of an enterprise at any time.
So even I can say the business is surrounding with this only: profit, loss, assets, liability, investment, stock. And owner is always interested to in these things: how much asset he has and how much liability he has supposed to pay. So whether the business in this year, business is earning the profit or suffering from the losses. So exactly business position can to understand, or can business position idea required for the owner or the businessman or proprietor, you can. Next one.
Yes, sir. Management. Management of an enterprise can plan, take decisions, and control overall business activities.
So now basically sometimes it may happen owner is the same one who is managing also. But generally owners are the different one and managers are appointed by the owner for running day-to-day activities of the business. Ultimately, the management need to take the proper precautions. All the you can say policies supposed to be created, and management should take charge that whatever policies determined by the management team, that is going to be followed by the business, so that business can be run successful. So you can say proper take for taking proper decision, controlling the business, management skill required. And for that purpose, the recording of the transaction required. Go ahead.
Yes, investors. Investors can take proper decisions whether to invest or not.
So now how investor can take the decision whether to invest or not? It is also depend on the, you can say, your necessity. For example, I am telling you the two examples. First one is the Reliance company, and the second one is TCS company. This is imaginary data or imaginary example, so don't confuse yourself. I am saying now why we are investing. Can you tell me why? What is the motive of investing in anything, whether it is in shares or whether it is in land or anything else? Why we are investing?
So to increase profits.
No, that is not the correct thing. Instead of saying increase profit, what is appropriate answer? For getting the more return or for creating our wealth? Agree?
Yes. Yes.
So, for example, my motive is earning the profit, and Reliance company already declared dividend in the last year. But whereas TCS company didn't declare dividend. Okay? So now as I am interested for earning more things, or earning, you can say, or increasing my wealth or earning the returns. So for that, which is the better company? For me, it is the Reliance, which is the better company. Why? So first of all, what is the dividend? Dividend is the part of profit which is distributed to the shareholder by the company. Not all the profit, some part of the profit which is given to the shareholders who are investing in their company. Clear? So if I wanted to invest in a company, I will go for Reliance because my motive is earning the more returns. So Reliance company is giving me the dividend. So I will invest in Reliance and not on the TCS. So whether to invest and how to invest or not to invest, that is the decision. Even you can invest in mutual funds and so on. So many things are there. Clear, everyone? Have you understood this point from the point of view of the investors?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will go ahead with the next point. Customers. Chalo, read it.
Yes, sir. Customer. Customer can easily understand financial position of the business. He can be assured about supply of goods.
I can say customer is the king in the market nowadays, and customer require the good quality product with the reasonable cost. And even after observing financial position of the business, the customer can understand about the supply of the goods, and according to that, the customer can purchase the product from your business. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Government can easily find out different types of taxes due from various sources.
Basically, we are paying so many taxes like direct tax, indirect tax. So government ultimately collecting the taxes from the people, and for using that money only for the benefit of the people. So just recording the business transaction, according to that, I can understand how what is my turnover, how much income I am generating in this academic or in this financial year, and after that, according to that income which I earn, on that I am supposed to pay to the tax. So for paying the taxes compulsory, I have to record the business transaction. Then only I can able to understand or trace out how much taxes is due as per the tax liability. Go ahead.
Lenders. Money lenders can find financial standing out of the enterprise for decision to lend money or not.
So the lenders, or I can say financial institution, or even the bankers can take the decision whether they wanted to give the loan for your business or not. Why? They will check your financial statement and the liquidity position, and according to that, they can take the decision. Liquidity position means what? Whether your company is solvent or insolvent, whether you have the sufficient balance, how much is credit period required to pay off your debts, and so on. Go ahead.
Development. Business enterprise can achieve the business growth with the help of accounting.
So, of course, business growth can be analyzed and understand after recording the transaction. And with who is recording that transaction? The accountant, a person who is appointed, who have the basic knowledge of accounting, can record the transaction. So basically, for the growth of the business, you have to record the transaction, and that is what the utility from development point of view. So hopefully everyone have you understood the utility of bookkeeping, or how the bookkeeping useful for the different you can say parties concerns.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fair enough. So again, we'll check it out what you understand. So utility from different point of view. Chalo, tell me one by one. Utility from owner's point of view. What do you understand in this?
Sir, he can make, he
You
can,
you just use the chat. Yes, what you are saying?
he
You are
can find
answering?
out profits, losses, and then the assets and liabilities of the enterprise.
Okay, fair enough. Others, do you want to comment? Can understand the business position. Pooja, you said correctly. After owner, what we can say? Management. Chalo, tell me from management point of view now. Businessman can. Okay, Rahul, your answer is correct. Now I am shifting on next point, that is management. Take decision and control overall business activity. Very perfectly said, Bhanumati. Very good. So you also understand about the management point of view, investment point of view. Tell me this now. What do you understand about investment point of view? To take proper decision whether to invest or not. Netal, you said correctly. Take decision to invest or not. Sakshi, even you said correctly. So after investment, the next point is customer. What you understand from customer point of view? Customer can easily understand financial position. Very nice. Modita, you said correctly. He can be assured about the supply of goods. Vittal, even you said correctly. I haven't reached to that point, na Rahul, government. I'm asking about customer till now. Customer can easily understand. Somnath is saying correctly. Okay, no issue. So of course the next point is government, and Rahul already answered that. And the last point, lenders. Tell me this. Can find out types of taxes due from various sources. Correctly said, Pooja. Even Natal, you said correctly. Find different types of taxes due from different sources. Okay. Lenders can achieve business growth. Okay. Find out types of taxes. They can make decisions whether to give loan or not. Okay. Fair enough. They can check out the liquidity position of the business, and according to that, can take the decision. And the last one, development. Tell me development point of also. Okay, that is absolutely correct. With the help of accounts, development can be achieved. Growth of business. Rahul, even you said correctly. So I am seriously glad very much that you understand all the terminology, and now you also understand why this subject came into the picture. Clear?